There's a base plate with a hole for the axle and 2 pins for tensioning a rubber band. Then there's a sliding tab with a larger hole in which the axle can move up and down. It has another pin, which is the axle for the circular disc, and another pin for tensioning the rubber band. We'll put the sliding tab in the base plate. And finally, we have the concave plate mounted on a square steel bar. We push the axle through the hole. Now let's put the cogwheel on the other end of the axle. We are finished. Now we have digital certainty with our 10 teeth cogwheel.